Move over, would you? My foot's stuck.
Give a girl some elbow room, will you?
Man!
What is it? What's going on? What's happening?
Oh my gosh! She wished there was no Christmas! I think I'm going to faint!
Oh, man, why don't we do something to help that kid? Come on!
It's academic, my macadamian friend. The girl is a human, and you are plain nuts.
Mac's right. We gotta help her. We just got to. Even if she's not a nut.
Hold on there, Little Pea. Don't you go running off.
Poor Lil Pea. And just when he was starting to come out of his shell.
How about one gift now for the two of you?
Wow, a new cannon! Thank you, Uncle! Plow! Oh, he's wonderful.
Oh, is it him? Is it really him?
Where? Oh!
It is!
Where?
Yes, sir, it's true. Our gallant hero is among us again.
I never thought I'd see the day.
Will somebody tell me what's going on out there?
There we go. That right there, boy, is the Nutcracker Prince. Or what's left of him. It all started long ago, before you'd even been planted.
You see, the Nutcracker Prince was in love with Princess Perlipad, the most beautiful girl in the kingdom.
Yeah, but the old mouse queen, she was a real shrew. And she was awful jealous of the princess.
And of the prince. She wanted our kingdom for herself.
One day, when the prince was away, the Mouse Queen gave the girl a terrible bite.
And turned her into the all-time absolute ugliest thing that ever walked.
Every man in the kingdom was called upon, for there was but one way to break the dreadful spell.
How?
By breaking the hardest nut on the planet. Many tried and many failed, except the Nutcracker Prince, who broke both the nut and the spell.
And the princess was once again... If you get my drift.
You mean they were nuts for each other?
Such a romantic story. But such a sad ending. The prince was left so weak from the effort.
That wicked old mouse queen, she turned our poor prince into wood. Can you dig it?
A terrible loss for women everywhere.
Yes, sir, there's only one force powerful enough to lift the curse on him.
What's powerful enough?
Love.